are gonna be opening some surprise Kinder eggs. We have 5 of them. I have 5 of them. Okay, camera person, talk.
Okay, so what do we have here?
We have Kinder eggs. We just raised the camera a little bit while we were gone.
Yeah, I had to adjust the camera. Okay, so we have 5 Kinder egg surprises. So you're gonna open them and
no,
is this an unboxing? An opening. Okay. I'm sorry.
Okay, so these 4, these are all Secret Life of Pets. If you've ever watched the movie, you can Google it. Secret Life of Pets 1 or 2. So
what's the middle one then?
The middle one is Miraculous.
Yeah.
It's a TV show.
Oh.
You can it's whatever it's called. Okay. This one is going to be last. Okay. So this is going.
Well, you can just move it to the side.
Okay.
Because the kitty cats will start ripping it apart, and that'll be the end of it.
So,
now, are we going to be devouring the chocolate too? Maybe just a little bit, eh?
A little bit.
Okay, all right.
I'm going to be doing...
Mostly just the toys.
I'm going to be doing Chloe first.
Okay. How do you know it's Chloe?
Or whatever her name is.
How do you know it's Chloe?
It's the cat.
Do you know that that's what's in there is the cat?
No, it's just the toy.
Oh, yeah, I guess you just can collect them all.
It's taking so long. Okay. Oh, and done. Separate.
What? Hope you can all see this. Okay, so she's opening the egg.
I haven't had this chocolate in a while.
Is the chocolate good?
Of course.
Okay. Okay, what do we got for the toy?
Ooh.
Come on, hurry up, because, I mean, there's like 4 more to go.
So? They can just fast forward.
Okay.
Okay. So, we're going to open this.
Hope we don't have to put anything together. Do we have to put it together? Oh, they're all intact. Right?
No.
We have to put it together?
Yeah. We'll put it together at the end of the video.
Okay.
Now
so how do you know who you got?
I got Gidget.
Gidget.
That can go over there.
Okay, we'll look at them after. Gidget. All right. What's the next one?
Chocolate.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Chocolate mukbang with Kinder chocolate.
Max is next.
Okay.
So good.
Well, you've opened these before. She just like separates that foil like she's done it before.
Yummy. Okay, we're gonna be opening this in 3,
2, 1.
It's hard. Okay.
Oh, there we go.
What did we get? Is this a monkey or something?
Do we have to put it together?
What is
this?
We
gotta put it together.
Oh wait, no, this is Duke.
Duke.
We got his bone.
Oh, we got a bone. Duke is a dog.
Yeah.
Okay, well we'll figure that out after.
His tongue moves.
Oh, we'll get up close. We'll have to do a close up on them all at the end, okay? So that's Duke here. She's just putting them there. So that's Gidget to the right there, and then that's Duke. So now she's gonna do another one.
Should I do Gidget or Bunny?
Bunny.
Bunny. funny.
Okay, drum roll. What's the next one?
There's some milk chocolate stuff with it.
Mmm.
Oh, what's this one?
What did we get? What did we get?
Chloe!
Oh, you got Chloe.
The cat, or whatever her name is.
Okay, we'll do a close up at the end of Chloe. Chloe, Duke, and Gidget. All right. We got stickers to put on for her too?
Nope.
Okay. All right, number 4. A pet surprise. They're pet surprises, right?
Now we have Gidget.
All right.
The wrapping paper is Gidget's face.
Mm.
Come on. Do not do this to me. No. Get off the chocolate. You do not belong there. Oh, this one opens easily.
Yeah.
Crumbs.
Mmm. You haven't had chocolate in a while. All right, you're good at that.
What's this?
Who is it?
I don't know who this is.
Oh.
Oh, wait, no, it's a circus lion from number 2. From movie number 2.
Oh. A circus lion.
Yeah, it's the white tiger. Remember when we saw it in the movie theater?
Oh, Life of Pets.
2.
Oh, yeah. So now you're going to open...
Miraculous.
Okay, all right, the last one. And then we'll do a close-up of each one. That'll be cool.
After
Yeah.
they're done.
Yeah.
Wonder what I get.
I wonder. Well, that opened the easiest of them all.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
We got the boy.
Who's the boy?
I don't know.
All right, we have to put them together. Okay, so we're going to put them together now.
And eat some chocolate. Okay. So let's start with Duke. He's in his green doggy bed. He has his bone beside him.
Now, this is from Life of Pets 2 that we went and saw, right?
No, it's from Life of Pets.
Oh, he's in 1 and 2.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
So look at his tongue move.
Wow.
Okay, and next.
Okay, so that's Duke over there. Next, Gidget.
Gidget.
Oh,
Well, there's really nothing to talk about this one.
that's surprising because that's all she does is talk non-stop.
Okay, next one.
Okay. Do you remember the name of this one?
I don't remember the name of him, but he is from Life of Pets 2. Gidget and Duke are from Life of Pets 1 and 2.
Right.
This one is from 2.
Yeah.
So he is on this little platform because he came from a very bad circus and he is balancing plates.
Yeah. And the last, oh no, we have another one from Secret Life of Pets.
Oh, oopsie. Forgot this.
Yeah. She just rests on top
This is the stand.
of that. Yeah.
Okay, and then...
So this is Chloe. Oh.
Yeah. She's in her cat bed.
She was in 1 and 2 movie.
Mm-hmm.
She's in her what? She's in her cat bed. Oh, yeah. And the last but not least, this is from...
Miraculous.
Miraculous, okay.
Oh.
Now, who is that?
I do not know, but he is like Cat Boy or something.
Let me see if we can turn it around. It's like Batman or something.
Da, 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 da.
Well, there we go. Those are all the Kinder Egg surprise openings.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so hope you like this video, and comment down below which movie you liked if you watched them. Number 1 of Secret Life of Pets or number 2. Me personally, I like number 1 better.
And what character did you like the best?
Gidget.
So comment below what your favorite character was from Secret Life of Pet 2, right? 1 and 2.
Mm-hmm.
See you in the next video.